how changing eating times aids healthy aging, how processed foods are increasing mortality risk, and how to get more longevity promoting flavonols. Learn about this and more in this video. A recent study suggests that adjusting meal times could help align the body's circadian rhythms, thereby potentially enhancing muscle health and slowing age-related muscle decline. The research that was conducted on mice demonstrated that time-restricted feeding can restore rhythmic gene expression in muscles and mitigating muscle function deterioration. This finding highlights the intricate relationship between central and peripheral body clocks. However, further human studies are needed to confirm these benefits. A new study published in the BMJ found that consuming ultra-processed foods, such as instant noodles, ready-made meals, and packaged snacks, is linked to a slightly higher risk of mortality. Analyzing data from 2 long-term surveys of health professionals, the study observed that participants with the highest intake of these foods had a 4% higher risk of death from any cause and a 9% higher risk from non-cardiovascular and non-cancer causes. While not recommending complete exclusion, researchers advise limiting these foods for better long-term health outcomes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that incorporating legumes, whole grains, and nuts into one's diet could potentially extend lifespan by up to 10 years. The research, which analyzed dietary data from 7 countries, suggests that even modest dietary changes, such as reducing sugary beverages and processed meats, can significantly increase longevity. The study highlighted that Americans who consume high amounts of processed foods stand to benefit the most from these dietary adjustments, which also showed a stronger impact on men's health compared to women's. A recent article on Well Plus Good highlights the health benefits of flavonols, a type of flavonoid found in many plant-based foods. Research shows that higher intake of flavonols is linked to reduced mortality risks, including from cardiovascular disease and cancer. Foods rich in flavonols, such as onions, kale, broccoli, blueberries, apples, green tea, and cocoa, provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits that support heart and brain health. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can promote longevity and overall well-being. A recent study detailed on Axio's website found that viewing memorable images makes time seem to slow down. Participants shown various images for brief periods often perceived smaller, cluttered scenes as shorter and larger, sparse scenes as longer than their actual duration. Memorable images were perceived to last longer and were recalled more accurately. This effect may be because the brain processes important or memorable images faster, thus dilating the perception of time to gather more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more news, information, and tips about life longevity.